Welcome to our table for two. Today we're in the kitchen of Linda Crisamalis. So what are we making today?
We're making mushroom and prosciutto penne, one of our favorites. I love it because it's so adjustable. You can add as much prosciutto and mushrooms as you like. And the surprise ingredient at the end is the lemon zest.
Oh.
It just perks up the cream sauce.
Yeah. Let's get started.
Okay.
All right. So, what's the first thing?
First thing I like to do is cut the mushrooms, and I like to cut them thick slice because they reduce when you saute them.
Shrink up, right?
They shrink up. Yeah, so about 4 slices per cap.
Okay. All right, so mushrooms sliced. What else do we need to prepare?
The next thing I do is cut the prosciutto.
Okay, let's do that.
I found that cutting 1 slice at a time is the easiest, even though it takes longer. If you stack them all,
They stick together.
they stick together and you spend more time cutting them apart.
Right.
So I like
One
to
at a
cut
time.
them
Oh, just in nice ribbons.
ribbons lengthwise,
Okay.
and then
Oh,
shorter
about 2
crosswise.
inches, maybe.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah. Kind of.
Nice. Look at that. So, prosciutto cut. Now what do we do?
Now we melt the butter
All right.
and add the mushrooms
All right.
and prosciutto.
Let's get this going. So the first thing we're doing is melting some butter. It looks like about 2 tablespoons of butter.
Yep.
Awesome. Oh, it looks like you're wanting to get a nice little foam before you add, and then we add our mushrooms.
Add the mushrooms.
So
I like to add those first.
butter creates a nice foam, and then we add the mushrooms. Okay,
Yeah.
awesome.
And then I add the prosciutto also.
At the same time?
Yes, the
Oh.
recipe calls for that.
Okay, let's do it.
Nicely separated.
This looks amazing. So tell me how you know when the mushrooms are done.
I just like to get a little brown on the mushrooms, and the prosciutto does not need to be crisped like bacon.
Nice.
So you can see some of the tone here.
Yeah.
And they're reduced, the mushrooms are reduced a little bit in size.
Yeah, not a lot.
Not a lot.
And they're not super brown, but they
No.
don't seem, they haven't lost all their water, so they should
Yeah.
still be tender, I guess.
Yeah, tender, and there's a little bit more cooking with the cream sauce.
Oh, got it. So that's why we're stopping now. Okay. What's next?
Next, we cut the tomato into wedges.
Oh my gosh, you're using a paring knife
Paring
to
knife,
go in and get that core. That was easy.
core it. I like to cut the...
She's a clean cook. Notice how she has a nice little, I guess, lack of a better word, prep bowl to put all her discard in. Okay,
Yeah.
look at all those seeds. How do you have the patience to get those seeds out?
It's quick and easy. First I cut the wedges,
Okay.
kind of thick,
Mm-hmm.
and then
Use your
You
thumb.
just-
Oh,
pop them out.
interesting. Look at that. So she's just popping it out. And now we leave it like this, or do you do any more chopping?
No more chopping,
Okay.
right like this.
There we go.
And then it goes into the saute pan
Yeah. All right.
with the mushrooms and the prosciutto.
All right.
Yep.
All right. Sizzling, nice and hot.
Next we add the tomato wedges.
Beautiful. Oh, that looks so good.
Then we let those simmer for a couple minutes,
Okay.
just so they start to warm up and break down slightly. Then I add the cream,
Oh, wow.
just a little oregano,
Nice.
a little
And a
salt.
tad of salt. And now we're going to let it simmer. Now we're going to add a little bit of parm, it looks like.
Add some parmesan. It starts coming out.
Wow.
And we stir it in.
Oh, look how nummy that looks. Looks absolutely amazing. This is so easy.
It's quick
It
and
comes
easy.
together really fast.
Quick and easy dinner.
Mm-hmm.
Nice salad on the side.
Yeah. Maybe the new vinaigrette, my favorite vinaigrette that's posted this week, would go really good with the simple green salad.
Just into the pan. It's quick and easy.
Nice.
Now we can serve it up.
All right. That looks amazing.
Now, I always love to add a little more parmesan, of course.
Of course. Look how beautiful that is. Oh,
And then for a finishing touch,
the zest. Now, you wait to the very end. You don't. Have you ever added
wait till
it
the very
before?
end. Yeah, I've zested the whole lemon and added it.
Yeah.
Mixed it into the whole pot.
Mm.
It doesn't have the same flavor.
Ah, awesome. So you really want it to be the like almost a garnish, I guess.
Almost a garnish. Yeah.
Oh, that looks
And then those
so
first-
good.
Those first few bites, you get.
Oh, I can smell the lemon.
Yeah.
It's making me want to dig in right now.
Then every bite you get,
Yeah.
a nice bit of fresh lemon with the cream.
Beautiful. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Linda, this looks amazing.
Thank you. Buon appetito.
Bon appetito. Very good.
More prosciutto.
More prosciutto.